Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make two of my favorite crepes. Today we're going to do one sweet crepe and one savory crepe. For the savory crepe, we're going to do what I like to call caprese in a crepe because it's going to consist of tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil inside the crepe, topped with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. However, if you're craving something more sweet, then you probably should follow my sweet crepe recipe, which is going to consist of bananas and chocolate topped with whipped cream and powdered sugar. Now let's get started. I'm keeping the crepe batter nice and simple with 4 ingredients: eggs, flour, salt, and milk. Start by adding 1.5 cups of milk to a bowl along with 1 large egg. Now give that batter a mix to break up the egg. Your crepe batter needs to be thin, so make sure to sift your flour. We're going to add 1 cup to be exact, and a pinch of salt for taste. Use a spatula to incorporate the dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients until the batter gets silky smooth like this. Turn the heat on a medium and spread some avocado oil on a large non-stick pan. Now grab some crepe batter, and I don't have that fancy wooden tool, so I'm spreading the batter with mittens to make the crepe thin. It's not the prettiest, but it's more important for the crepe to be thin. Grab 2 spatulas and use one to go around the crepe to lift it. That way you can easily flip the crepe. Then I'm going to use both spatulas to flip the crepe. Use the first one to lift the crepe, then go under with your second, then flip. If it gets messy like this, don't freak out and use the spatulas to spread it out. Then I'm going to add my toppings to my crepe and 1/4 of the crepe. So mozzarella, basil, and tomatoes. Add as much of each topping as you would like. Flip the crepe in half over itself, then push this part down so you can flip it over the 4th with your toppings. This crepe came out pretty decent. Slide it onto a plate, then top it with olive oil and balsamic. There's your savory crepe. For the sweet crepe, fill the crepe with banana and chocolate, just like that. Plate it and top with powdered sugar and whipped cream. You are finished with the sweet crepe. Time to eat. I hope your crepes came out as delicious as mine, because I don't know which one's better. Let me know in the comments which one you tried if you made them. And I love sharing my cooking with my viewers. So, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your appreciation and making it to the end.